Hey, what's going on? Okay, so I'm going to be installing this reverse sensor backup kit in the Silver Bullet. I purchased this off of Amazon for about $17. The link will be in the description below. Right now we're just going to unbox it, and I will proceed to install it in the Silver Bullet, but right now this is going to be the unboxing part. Open it. Okay, so this thing, the first thing is, I would imagine this was probably the display unit to tell you how close you are from the object. This looks like a power cable of sorts. This, I believe, is the brain of the unit. Here, you plug it in, it just says power, monitor, which is your display. And I would imagine each one of these is for your sensors. Speaking of sensors, it appears that we have 4 sensors. This is what they look like. So you have to drill holes in your bumper and you put these sensors in. This looks like a saw, hole saw. This is to drill holes in your bumper. Some double stick tape. This is probably for the brain, so you can mount it somewhere. This is most likely for the display unit. I believe this is the speaker also, where the chime comes from. Okay, and that's pretty much the unboxing of it. Let's put this all away, and then we'll get to installing it.
Since we only want the sensors to be powered on when the car is in reverse, we need to tap into the reverse light to use that as our power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing all of this stuff so that we can find the reverse light. So I have all the interior stuff taken up and all the panels, and I have access to the wires for the reverse bulb. I think I found it, so here, check it out. I believe this blue cable is going to be the positive, your black is your ground. If you trace them, it goes into this connector, connector goes in like here. I'm going to splice into this harness here. But before I start cutting stuff, I'm going to test it with a multimeter. So I need the help of my assistant, who is going to be driving this car, eldest daughter. Jessica, I need your help, please. If you can pull you away from Fortnite long enough to help your aging father.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
All right, so real quick, let me show you. I have the harness where I'm going to plug into. I have my multimeter plugged. That one's going to be the positive. Black's the negative, of course. We're watching the multimeter. All right, honey, foot on the brake the whole time. Keep your foot on the brake. Now, put the car in reverse. That's all you got to do. There you go. Car's in reverse. We got 12 volts. That means it's going to turn on. Okay, put the car back in park. All right, foot off the brake, and you can get out. You can turn off the car. Good girl. Thank you. Good job, honey. High five. That's going to be our power, so I'm going to start splicing. I'm currently running the wiring. It's kind of a pain in the ass, so I'll show you what I've been doing so far. The brake light is here in the hatch, okay? The brake light's here, so that means the wire needs to run up through here, down through this rubber shielding here, and then in through here. I've removed some of these body panels so I can get to it, down here, and then I'm gonna put the control box like somewhere like right here, because I need to mount the sensors into the bumper that are right there. So that's my challenge. So we're currently running the wiring. I think this is going to be the most difficult wiring piece. So this is going to be my wire loom, which one I made it was really cool. I learned this from like one of those car fix-it shows on Discovery. They put one end in a drill and they put the other end in a vise, and they let the drill rip and it twists the 2 cables. So watch, check it out. I'm going to put this end in the vise, clamp it down in your drill, and just let it rip. Let it go. It'll naturally kind of like detangle a little bit. And there you go. Now we're just gonna tape it up. There's your wire loom. Professional. I fished it through this grommet, whatever, the sleeve. I'm gonna run it down here. I think I just told you that. So onward. Is that Angie? Oh no, it's not Angie. That's Jesse. What are you doing? I think the whole experience of driving was a little intimidating to Jessica. So we're trying to push it, and that's what that whole Silver Bullet business is all about. So I think Angie's just like, we're just trying to get her more comfortable. I don't know why kids these days don't want to drive. When you have a sweet freaking battle wagon to drive. Whoa, dude. Dude, Pittsburgh. Bounce back. Pittsburgh just beat the the Tom Brady and Tom Brady's team. Okay, update. I'm gonna wrap it up pretty soon because it's kind of dark. Like, first off, if you live like the daylight savings thing, like when you change your clocks, it sucks. It gets dark at like 4:30. Anyhow, the wiring is sane. I will show you. Okay, so like I said, it should turn on when I put it in reverse. So it's in park. Oh, it's in reverse. And here's the sensor. Returner. And then let me turn it off. Let me just put it in neutral. Oh, whoops, it's in drive. Oh, reverse. So yeah, every time you're gonna put it in reverse, you're gonna get a beep, but the wiring is sane. As you can see, I got the bumper off. Bumper is right there. Random stuff. Here is a little tip. When I'm working, I usually keep cups or plastic containers so I can keep things organized. It's very smart to get between the firewall and the trunk stuff. So here's a little hole right here. This little cap comes off. I think I'll just cut a hole in there and then just feed everything through there. But I can wire stuff through there. It comes out here, and then I'll just run it to the bumper. Is this foam thing like on the back of bumpers? Do you really need that thing? Like what kind of protection is that going to protect against anyway? All right, man. Here we go. Okay, this is gonna be it. So as you can see, I only used 2. It's 1, 2. If in the future, if I didn't want to do 4, now I know the technique. Okay, so we got everything installed. You can see I got my sensors there. We're gonna see the $17 Amazon reverse sensors in action right now. Reverse sensors in action. Here we go. Reverse. You can barely hear it. I think I might need to relocate the thing. Here it goes. There you have it. They seem to work. Silver bullet, bringing it into the modern age.